Hello everyone, I am Poonam Vohra and I welcome each one of you to the Question of the Day series where you get one competency-based question daily covering macroeconomics, Indian economic development, microeconomics and statistics. Today's question is a numerical from macroeconomics to which marks allotted are 4. So get ready to test your numerical and analytical skills. Let's get started. The numerical is on government budget. Let me read the question. The government's annual budget for the fiscal year includes the following components given in crores of rupees. Total revenue expenditure 8 lakh crores of rupees, total capital expenditure 4 lakhs, revenue deficit 2 lakhs 50,000, fiscal deficit 7 lakhs and borrowing requirements of the government are 3 lakh crores. Using this data, calculate A. Revenue receipts, B. Capital receipts, C. Primary deficit, and D. Interest payment made by the government. Let's begin with the solution. First is to find revenue receipts. And one can find revenue receipts if you are aware of the formula to find revenue deficit, which is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. We have revenue deficit with us and revenue expenditure with us, and it is easy to then find revenue receipts. So substituting the values, it is 2,50,000 is equal to 8 lakhs minus revenue receipts that we need to find. So revenue receipts would be 8 lakhs minus 2 lakhs 50,000, it is 5 lakhs 50,000 crores. Now let's find capital receipts. We are all aware that fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure minus total receipts, which comprises of both revenue as well as capital. So you need to rearrange this to find capital receipts. That would be then fiscal deficit plus revenue receipts minus total expenditure. Substituting the given values for fiscal deficit, one can find total expenditure as 7 lakhs and revenue receipts is 5 lakhs 50,000, which we have just calculated. Now we need to find total expenditure. Total expenditure is revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure, which is 8 lakh crores plus 4 lakh crores, it is 12 lakh crores of rupees. Now it is easy to find capital receipts, which is fiscal deficit 7 lakhs plus revenue receipts we have found 5 lakh 50,000 minus total expenditure we have just found is 12 lakhs. So the answer is 50,000 crores. Next is to find borrowing requirements of the government, and borrowing requirements represent the primary deficit, which is given as 3 lakh crores. Last one is to find interest payments. It is easy to find interest payments if you are aware of finding primary deficit. Primary deficit is actually fiscal deficit minus interest payment. Now we are aware of fiscal deficit, we are aware of primary deficit, so we can find interest payment easily. So one can rewrite this formula as fiscal deficit is equal to primary deficit plus interest payments, which is 7 lakhs fiscal deficit, 3 lakhs primary deficit plus interest payment is unknown. So interest payment will be then 7 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. It is 4 lakh crores of rupees. To solve the numerical, it is very important to be aware of all the formulas and its related formulas. Write down the formulas first and then rearrange it to find whatever is asked. Like in this question, we need to rearrange so many concepts to finally get the answer. These show your analytical skills. So keep practicing such questions. Stay curious. And don't forget to join me tomorrow for another exciting question in the series. Till then, stay motivated and keep learning. See you in the next session. Thank you.